welcome. This explained that in this how to use your WhatsApp business. So tap on the agree and continue. So this will be your intro production. So you just got to have to follow every steps in here. So they will ask for your permission. So you got to have to allow them for this to work on. As long as the music and audio, the photos and video, as well as other stuff as well. So you just got to have to continue, allow it everything. And after that, they will send you a test and you just got to complete it. And also a verification to your number. After that, you'll be prompted to this home page. You got to have your category first. For example, you do your gaming video creation, so you just tap on it and then tap on not now if you want to skip on it. So after that, you'll have this home page. Tap on the edit profile, and this will prompt you to editing your business profile in which customers can see the whole paragraph. So after that, you just tap on each categories and then input whatever fits or suits to your business. So you also have the community one to post your business there. That should be it.